Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create a Pinterest account on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a Pinterest account on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. The first way to create a Pinterest account, you can just enter your email ID or you can just continue with Google. So the easiest way is you can just continue with Google or just give your email ID. I just going to continue with my Google account. After continuing with your Google account, you just need to select your date of birth first. So just select the date of birth on the screen by scrolling. It's showing what's your gender. You can just select the gender here. Then you just need to select your country. It will be automatically detected. So and click on the next option. Now you just need to pick your 3 interest of pin boards. So I'm just going to add some pins. So like cause, cooking, next, and click on the next option. Now you are after selecting your interest of the topics, it will show some of the topics on your home page. So now your account has been created. To see your account, to edit your account, click on the save option. Now click on the profile option on the top. So here you can edit all the things like account management, profile visibility, and everything can be created, edited, and modified. This is how you just create a Pinterest account on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.